Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey. So I'm gonna take my sea bass, right? Ooh, Father God. Oh, it's breaking apart. It's so flaky and good.
Oh, wow.
And that spinach on the bottom. You see that bed of spinach?
Oh, wow.
Lord have mercy.
Keep going.
Talk to me.
So I am going to start first today because everybody likes a sweet treat on Halloween. I mean, I know I'm the snack and the meal.
Good God Almighty.
Yes. So this is exactly how your pizza rolls should look. So you can see those. So you see how good it looks? It's all about aesthetics here because you actually only use what? 3 ingredients.
Jesse.
It's coming. It's working. It's coming.
Okay.
What you doing?
Then we're going to put the...
Ooh.
We're going to add our blue curacao that's in our shaker and just put it right on top.
Girl.
And then it's going to float and make a real pretty blue color.
Is that for me?
Yeah, that
Is
could be
that
for
for
you,
me?
John. Yep.
Ooh, I got to have it.
Then we got our lemon garnish with a little egg.
Jesse. Let's go. Hey, look. You gotta. Drink. Handle your business shit. Drink.
And then we're going to add a little pepper as well.
Okay. All right, so we can add some lemon juice. What are we doing here?
No, this ain't Olive Garden.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? This is Chef Meal's kitchen.
How do you make a salad look so good? Like that? This is not what I
That's what I
anticipated,
said.
guys. You did not tell me what it was gonna do. It looks so good already. Like my salad is the one I shake from McDonald's like this. And I'm like, here you go.
And I'm not a breakfast person, so I eat my eggs, bacon, and cheese right here on my salad. And this is cayenne candy bacon. We did a little cayenne pepper with some sugar as well as some black pepper. And then we go ahead and finish it off with our cheese. And when you set this up on your table, what guest would not like something like that?
Wow. Let's do a soul food sushi roll. So what do you think about soul food? What somebody say something about what do you think? Macaroni. Macaroni, okay. Collard green. Yes, sweet potatoes.
Hold on, Asian sushi rolls. Is that why you wore that little Korean?
Yes, you noticed?
It looks good on you. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yes, this is my Boyfish ensemble from Wish. It's the only thing that ever came out right from that ad. So just so you can see my leaf, down the middle, and I put it on the left side. Or for you guys, this is the right side.
That's the leaf you eat, not the one you smoke.
Okay? Well, you know, it's about to be legal. Okay? It's about to be legal.
My favorite part of the show.
So I'm Jazz, I'm a bartender, and today I'm going to make a drink I call the Twisted Jingle Bell Rock. So we got some Hennessy, we got some pineapple juice, and we got some blue curacao. That's going to make it look real pretty. It's so pretty. Like, yep, hold it up, hold it up. See it. Wow.
I'm ready to hold it up to my lips.
Did you get her hand first?
No.
Okay, so let's see this. Let's see what this tastes like. All right.